Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to speed up your PS4 internet speed. So in today's video I have a couple methods for you guys. One of them is really known. The guy who I found it from is in the description, so I'm giving credit straight to him. He has around 2 million or 2 million subscribers, so if you guys do want to go ahead and check him out, he's in the description, credit right there. Alright, and before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know, if you guys can follow all my social media, hit me up if you have any questions. Also comment down below if you did enjoy this video, leave that like and subscription with notifications on. Alright, so step number 1, make sure you guys are connected to a wired source, meaning your router is nearby and you have connected your Ethernet cord inside your PS4 as well as Ethernet cord inside the router. Another thing is, if you guys really honestly can't pay $10 or $20 a bit more just for internet, that's fine. Everyone has different financial issues, but one of the best things is to update it from your service provider, as well as get a new box, which means router. Your router is pretty old, but you can actually ask them for a new router and it should be free. It shouldn't ask you to pay or any of that stuff. They're really nice, depending on what internet provider you have. You know, it doesn't hurt to ask. They should give you a newer version of it. Alright guys, so that's tip number 1. Be sure to connect to a wired source. Although Wi-Fi is really nice because it's wireless, it's the fastest if you want some good gaming speeds. As well as for number 2, make sure that your internet source isn't being used by other people. Try not to have like 50 people gaming on one internet source. If you can't, that's fine. You know, there's other options as well, but that's a really good one because all the traffic coming into your internet source does vary between devices. Also, for number 3 section in your settings, if you go on computer, you guys are allowed to go to your service provider. All you have to do is type in your IP and it'll ask you to type in the password and all of that. If you go in there, change your setting to 5G, it'll be even faster. Your internet will be faster for close range devices only, which is really good. There's plenty of tutorials out there to do that, but I will not be showing my IP and all that. You guys can simply do that. There's that's another option. And for our last option, which many of you guys do know, sorry about that, would be the internet settings thing. So basically what you guys want to do, hit up settings, go to network. Once you're inside network, go inside to set up internet connection. Alright, once you guys are here, I'm going to choose LAN cable because I do have a LAN cable connected to my PS4. And you guys can go to automatic, click do not specify. And also these the website I'm using is in the description as well if you guys want to run through that as well if I'm going too fast or if you guys need some extra help. Then go to manual. Then what you guys want to do is type in these 4 letters. You're going to type in, erase that, 8.8.8.8. Basically it for the first one. Once you do that, click done. Go to secondary DNS. These are Google servers if you guys don't know. Google servers are some of the fastest. As of right now, PlayStation has a really bad name for doing these, or for making these servers a bit slower. So just use Google servers. Then for the secondary DNS, 8.8.4.4, and then click done, and then click net. Then once you're here, click on automatic, click on do not use. Then it says internet settings updated. Now all you have to do is click test internet connection, and you will notice a significant difference. And depending on your device, it could be 5 download speed up or like 5 upload speed up or something like that. There's plenty of stuff you guys can do for that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy this awesome video and tutorial. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and thank you guys for being a cool audience. Alright guys, thank you so much for sticking with me. Love you guys. See you in the next one.